Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions in the backclave, cycle fault number 10, G4 cycle fault 10. During conditioning, the cassette temperature has failed to drop to 115 C during unwrapped or wrapped cycle, or the temperature has failed to drop to 110 C during the rubber and plastic cycle. Purge conditioning stage, blah, blah, blah. So, we're going to look at the exhaust tubing. Check for kinked or pinched exhaust tubing. That's a very common error. We're then, it could be at the back of the machine, it could be somewhere down the line, it could be even at the top of the bottle, right here. Then we're also going to go to the solenoid. We're going to make sure the solenoid, boom, clicks. Hear that click? We should always hear that click. If you have anything stuck in there, it'll be more of a dud. Give us a call. We can send you a video and show you how to disassemble that. And then the last thing is that we're going to go to the Venturi of the cassette. The Venturi is in the back bottom of the cassette. There's oftentimes rubber that gets melted on this edge, or plastic, or paper gets stuck in there. Give us a call. We can help talk you through any of these. Cycle fault number 10, 704-966-1650. Option 3, over and out.